Hello everyone. In the episode of Reviews Pro today, we are talking about top 5 best outdoor string lights in this year. And if you want to see the price and find out more information about this outdoor string lights, you can check out the links down in the description. Also click subscribe at the button to stay up to date with the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Each strand has 15 sockets and the strings connect end to end. You can connect up to 5 strings end to end. That is a lot of light. So these are commercial lighting, indoor, outdoor, so you can light up your home or you can light up the outside. So they are waterproof. As you can see, it is very thick, very sturdy. You know nothing's going to break easily and it will all be fine. You can hang them in a variety of ways with string ties, hooks or nails, or by running a steel sling through the lights. Now, each bulb set does come with a few extra bulbs just in case one breaks or it goes out. So you do have extras just in case you don't want to switch out with the standard bulb.
So we're only going to use one of the strands on our deck because it fits perfectly well, but how to connect another one is simply take off the cover and connect.
Oh, it looks like these are all hung up. Man, that's really cool.
Alright, so everything is installed. Right now it's the afternoon, so we're going to check back later in the evening to see what it looks like at night. It's twilight now, so the lights have come on. It's not quite dark enough to see what they look like at nighttime yet, but as you can see, right now this is what they look like. These are very, very pretty lights.
Create a beautiful ambiance on your deck, backyard, or patio with LED or incandescent string lights by Brightech. They're the perfect mood setter for any social gathering. And in case you're wondering, yes, they're waterproof. In fact, thanks to Brightech's weather-tight technology, these commercial-grade string lights have withstood winds up to 50 miles per hour, according to customer reviews. The string lights are available in both LED and incandescent versions. The incandescents are a tad warmer than the LEDs, but the LEDs don't generate heat and last 20,000 hours. And that's a lot of hours. Both the incandescents and the LEDs put out a generous amount of light and are dimmable to ensure the mood is set to your liking. So quit replacing old string lights and buy a quality set one time with outdoor string lights by Brightech.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. And if you have any questions related to this outdoor string lights, you can leave a comment down below. I will hit you up as soon as I can.